Hello, welcome you all. And today's topic is methods of finding rank of a given matrix. In earlier lecture, we have concluded that a matrix A is said to be of rank R if there exists at least one minor of given matrix A which is of order R, and further the value of that minor of order R should be non-zero, and all higher order minors, that is minors of order R plus 1, R plus 2 and so on, are all exactly 0. So normally in general, three methods are adopted to find the rank of a given matrix. First method is minor based method, and the second method is echelon form based method, and the third method is normal form based method. In this lecture, we will discuss the minor based method. Then minor based method means how we can calculate the rank of given matrix by computing its minors. So in this case, we actually adopt this definition of rank of given matrix. So the working procedure is, in this case, we have to start with highest order minor or minors of given matrix, and we have to check their value. Suppose the highest order minor or minors of given matrix A is of order R, and if any one of them is non-zero, we have to compute the value of all minors of the highest order minor of given matrix A. And suppose if any one of them is non-zero, then we conclude that the rank of given matrix is actually the order of that non-zero minor. And suppose if all of them are 0, then in this case we start with minors of next lower order, that is minors of order r minus 1, and we have to check, we have to find the values of now all the minors of order r minus 1. And suppose if any one of the minor of order r minus, rank of that matrix is r minus 1. Suppose if all of them are 0, then we have to find the minors of next lower order minor, that is now of order r minus 2. And this procedure is actually followed until we find a non-zero minor. And the order of given matrix is basically the rank of given matrix is actually the order of that minor whose value is non-zero is the rank of given matrix A. Rank of this matrix using minor base method. So the working process is, we have to start with the highest order minor. In this case, the highest order minor of this matrix A is actually the determinant value of this matrix, and we have to find its determinant. And since here the determinant value of this matrix is obtained as 0, so therefore the rank of given matrix cannot be 3 using the minor base method, as all the minor or minors of highest order are exactly 0. So the rank of given matrix cannot be the order of that minor. And then in next step, we have to start with next lower order minors, that is now minors of order next lower, that is minors of order 2. So you can find at least one minor, or you have to calculate all the minors of order 2. Suppose if all the minors of order 2 are all equal to 0, then in that case the rank of given matrix cannot be 2. But here we can find a minor of order 2 by deleting the third column and the third row. We have obtained the minor 1 2 1 4, and its value is 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. That is, we have calculated a minor of order 2 whose value is non-zero. Therefore the rank of given matrix is 2 with the help of minor base method. Suppose if we consider a matrix A of order 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 0, 1 of order 2 by 3, and then it is asked to find the rank of this matrix A. So using minor base method, and the working process is we have to start with the highest order minor or minors of given matrix A, and minor is normally determinant. Determinant is calculated when the number of rows is equal to number of columns. So in this case the highest order minor of given matrix A is of order 2, and you can calculate any one of the minor of order 2 by simply, in this case, this minor of order 2 is generated with the help of this matrix A by deleting the third column, and we have to calculate its value. 1 into 0, that is 0, minus 2, that is 2. So in this case we have calculated a minor of order 2 whose value is non-zero. Therefore the rank of this matrix is 2.